What's up guys, Cornerd here. Today we're going to be looking at a way to view what devices are on our networks. So the reason why you might want to do something like this would be, for example, let's say you have a large network in your house and you're curious to see what devices are on your network. So you want to know, okay, how many printers do I have on my network? How many computers do I have on my network? Or even for the common Joe, how many smartphones or iPads or laptops that are on your network. So there's many ways to do this. However, I'm a big fan of an application by Overlook called Fing, and they make it for the iPad, they make it for Android. Again, I use the Galaxy S3, which works very, very well. They also make it for Mac, Windows, and Linux. So it supports all platforms, which is very, very cool. They didn't overlook that. They are a pretty decent company. I've been using them for years now, so let's go ahead and take a look at Fing. And I believe it's under Networking Tools and Fing. And I do apologize, there's a bit of a delay, so I'm just going to be looking up at my monitor. So this was the scan last. It shows you how many devices are on my network total and how many devices are on. So for example, if something supports Wake on LAN, you can actually wake it up. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the scan again. We're going to do a scan. We're going to see how many devices are on. And we'll notice that this Rico one isn't on. So let's go ahead and try to turn this on. I don't know if it'll work, quite frankly. I have a LaserJet. I doubt it supports Wake on LAN, but let's give it a shot. And we'll just go back. And we'll see that, unfortunately, it doesn't work, but if you do have a device that supports something called Wake on LAN, you might want to look into it. So, one thing that this does do pretty well is that it shows you a table based on what type of devices and their MAC address. So, for example, I knew that the Ricoh Company one was my printer. So, again, that will show me the MAC address. It also showed me that the Cisco product is one of them. So that's based on the IP address of 192.168.1.1, which happens to be my wireless router. So I can also look at which is my iPad. It'll say 192.168.1.100. So I can go ahead and see my iPad, which I doubt supports Wake on LAN, obviously. I can also see my other iPod Touch, which is not mine, it's my sister's, and I know that that's that address. I can see there's another Apple device, so that could be, for example, one of her friends, or it could be it's probably my iPhone from the company one. Actually, it's not on the wireless, so it isn't. So it's probably one of her friends. I can also see that 192.168.1.144, it's probably going to be my other computer. So again, it shows my list of devices, my network. It's very, very cool. I can do a search, I can create logs, and they have something called Fingbox, which means it kind of creates a VPN into your network, so you can go ahead and manage this stuff remotely. So if you are away on vacation and somebody happens to know your password on your wireless network, you're going to see who is on there. And sorry about that little lag here. But again, this is a cool offering. I would have shown you the Windows version. However, on Windows 8, you have to do something special to make it work. However, if you just type in Fing, it'll do the same thing. It's under a command prompt window. So what's really cool is, again, it'll show you the same amount of devices, and what it does is shows you the table of all the devices. It's not as nice, obviously, if you take a look in comparison between these two, but if you're a network admin and you want to see a quick little list of what's on your network, it's a cool way to go. So that's Fing, and I hope you're enjoying the mobile portion of this. I'm going to keep doing mobile products. In fact, I have a review of a very, very cool game coming up. So we'll see how that goes, because I'm a little bit worried about the lag. We might just have to do a camera zoom in on the iPad itself. I'm just a little worried about lag with this thing. So, but anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I will keep doing more. Like I said, I've just been kind of busy. If you check out my other videos, definitely give them a thumbs up. And subscribe to this channel if you want more information. And I will be doing more videos, obviously, constantly. So thank you guys again for watching this video, and definitely comment and subscribe.